Langbank Station serves the town of that name. It lies on the Inverclyde Line that runs through to Gourock, with a branch running down to Wemyss Bay. The station was opened in 1852 by the Glasgow, Paisley and Greenock Railway. Later it was owned by the Caledonian Railway. It lies in a double-track electrified section of line and therefore has two platforms. The next station along the line is Bishopton. The previous one is Woodhall. It has a half-hourly service on weekdays and Saturday, and on Sundays has an hourly service. Pre-COVID, the station saw between 60 and 70,000 passenger journeys a year. Prior to electrification, the signal box lay on the east platform. It had a goods yard lying to the east as well, and a siding ran to the south with a loading bank. The signal box closed in 1966. The station overlooks the River Clyde, with a good view of Dumbarton Castle on the northern bank. On the southern bank there are a couple of crannogs. These were artificial islands, mainly built during the Iron Age. Also, on the seashore opposite Finlaston are the Finlaston timber ponds, where uncut wood, was stored from the 18th century right through to about 1914. The timber had been imported via Port Glasgow and Greenock and come from North America, Scandinavia and Canada. The seawater seasoned it, and it stayed in the ponds until it was required by the sawmills or the shipyards.